Assalamu alaikum, my dear student. I am your science teacher from Ismailia Youth Services School. Before starting the lesson, I have some instruction for you. Listen carefully. Don't raise hand during the lecture. If you have any question, query, so you can write in your chat box. Sometime during the activity, I will give you permission to write in a, I'll meet you. So you will take the participate in your activities. Use hand-free if you are using mobile and headphone for computer. Feed your ID and password carefully. If there is any disconnectivity during the lecture, so you can join again within a 5 to 10 minutes. Do all homework in your fair copy according to the instruction. Take a screenshot if necessary, okay? I will guide you for the screenshot, okay? Then you will take it. Open your book, Oxford Science, 3rd edition. Everyone open your book. Now, this is your Science Book 3. This is the 3rd edition, okay? And topic name, the human body. There are some things that human body is the main topic, and some topics are the human brain, the senses organ, and the system of the body. So we will discuss here the different system of the body. There are so many toys, okay? You can observe them. These all toys. Can you tell me the name of this? Can you tell me? Yes, write in chat box. Okay, you can write the name of this in your chat box. Yes, this is a Barbie. This is the crane, very good. This is an aeroplane. Now, yes, it's a car, it's a machine. It has so many parts, and each part of this do the different type of the function. Same here, the human brain. The brain is the control center of the body. It's the main thing of the brain, so everyone learn it, okay? It's a very important line. The brain is the control center of the body. It controls all the system and organ. Our brain control all the system and organ. Now, we discuss here the parts of the brain. There are three main parts of the brain. First one, cerebrum, cerebellum, and medulla. These are the main parts of the brain. Cerebrum, what is the function of the cerebrum? Cerebrum control your memory and your thinking. Okay. Cerebellum control your muscles. Okay. Your movements. Okay. And medulla. Yes. Can you tell me the function of medulla? Yes. Activities of the heart, stomach, and kidney. Very good. Okay. Now, there are the picture. This is the picture of brain. Okay. And there are so many activities we have written on this picture. So you can easily observe them. When we do these works, so we use our brain. When we smell, when we hearing, when we touching, when we feeling, when we visualize anything, when we taste any food, when we speak, when we learn, when we memorize or anything. So these all activities we will perform by the brain. Okay. So brain is a control center of our body. These main parts, you will label it by it cerebrum, the top part. This is look like a walnut, pinkish walnut. Okay, this is the cerebrum. Okay, top part of the brain. Now, second one, cerebellum. This is a cerebellum. Okay, lower part, and the brain stem. It's also called the medulla. Okay, its scientific name is medulla. This is the medulla, and we say brain stem. Okay, we can easily learn it by the brain stem. Okay, but scientific name is medulla. So there are three main parts. Top part is called the cerebrum, lower part of the cerebrum is called cerebellum, and third one, the lowest part, brain stem or medulla. Okay, now the senses organ. Do you know about the senses organ? Yes, these help us to sense the world around us. The senses organ take in information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of our environment. Our senses are important They help to keep us safe from any danger. Senses are very important. They save us from any danger. Okay? We can save our body by senses. Now, there are the different senses and their organs you can observe. First one, sight. Can you tell me the name of sight organ? Yes. Yes. Can you tell me? Right. Okay, I will unmute you. Raise your hand. Raise your hand, student. Can you? Yes. This is the sight. Can you tell me the organ of the sight? If you want to raise the hand. Yes. You have an answer? Okay, raise your hand. Yes. Okay. Okay. Right. Yes. C. Yes. SC. And the organ is eyes. Mohammed Ismail. Very good. Fatma. Correct answer is eye. Yes. Very good. Shayan Zubair. Yes. Okay. With the answer, you can write your correct name. Okay. Because mostly showing the mobile phones. Okay. So you can write your name with answer. Unmute your. Yes. Unmute yourself and give me answers. Okay. Mohammed Anas. Do you want to give me the answers? Can you get? Yes. You can. Okay. Muhammad Muzammil. Shahid. Muzammil. Unmute yourself. Yes. Yes. This is a eye. Organ is eye. Sight organ is eye. Okay. Very good. Okay. Hearing is a sense, and the organ of the hearing is ear. Very good. Now, third one. Hasnan Ali. Can you tell me the organ of? Yes. Irfan Ahmed. Yes. Unmute yourself. Yes.
Teacher, hearing.
Yes. Okay, very good. Very nice. Ear as an organ of hearing. Now,
Thank you.
touch. Skin. Yes. Skin is our sensory organ. We
Touch.
can touch and feel by their skin. Very good, Irfan. Aslan, very good.
Smell.
Now, can you tell me the name of the sun? Yes, name of the organ. How can we smell? Which organ we use for smelling? Can you tell me the name? Which organ we use for smelling? Nose. Yes, Hassan. Very good, Hassan. Shayan Zubair. Very nice. Hamza. Fatma. Very nice. And very good, Aram Siddiqui. Nose. Very nice. Last one is taste. Can you tell me the name of the, yes, organ? Yes. Tell me the organ name. Yes. Okay. Tongue. Bakir Ali. Wow. Fawad. Jawad. Very nice. Very good. Okay. It's mean you know about the senses, organs. Okay. 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 Arham Siddiqui. Yes. Write the correct spelling of the tongue. Tongue. Okay. Now, very good. Okay. Very nice. Now, next one. Okay. What do the senses organ do? We everyone know about it. The senses organ take in information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of our environment. Very nice. This is the simple definition of the senses. So you can take the screenshot of this slide. Okay. Yes. This is the proper definition of the senses organ or senses. So you can take the screenshot of it. Okay. The senses organ take in information and send it to our brains so that we can be aware of our environment and we can save ourselves by any dangerous things. Okay. Okay. Yes, when we cross the road, so we use our senses. Okay, it's harmful if we don't use them. Okay, if there is any fire, so we can save us. Okay, by using our senses. So it's mean senses are very important for us. It save us from any danger. Okay, now activity number 1 on your book, page number 11. What happens to the pupils in bright light? the iris becomes wider and the pupils get smaller. Okay. Now the central black hole here, this is our eye is covered a transparent layer. This layer is called the cornea. आंखों के ऊपर एक white color की layer होती है, is called cornea. उसे cornea कहते हैं. And it's a center of the eye, the colored part of the eye is called iris. Okay, it's made by tissue. Okay, it's contract and relax. ये बढ़ता भी है और सिकुड़ता भी है. Okay, contract and relax. Sometimes it become wider and sometimes it's yes, yes, very good, very nice. Sometimes it gets smaller. Yes, and in the center of the eye there is a pupil. P-U-P-I-L, pupil. Okay, there that is a small hole and it is covered by a cornea. Okay, cornea cover our whole eye. Okay, that is the transparent layer on our eye. इन द ब्राइट लाइट, जब हम बहुत तेज रोशनी में जाते हैं, आपने देखा होगा अक्सर मना किया जाता है कि सूरज को डायरेक्टली नहीं देखना. समटाइम्स इज सेम हियर, बिकॉज अगर बहुत सारी लाइट हमारी आंख के अंदर एंटर होती है तो हमारे लेंस को अफेक्ट कर सकती है. ओके, तो हम क्या करते हैं, इन अ ब्राइट लाइट, ये एक्टिविटी आपकी बुक में है पेज नंबर 11 पे, यू कैन टेक द स्क्रीनशॉट ऑफ इट. ओके, in the bright light में the iris, this colored part of the eye, iris becomes wider, ये एकदम फैल जाता है, and pupils gets smaller, और ये जो इसके सेंटर में ब्लैक सा है ये सिकुड़ जाता है, छोटा सा लगने लगता है हमें. होता क्या है कि हमारा आइरिस जो है ये फैल जाता है, फैल के कवर कर लेता है हमारे पीपल को, क्योंकि ये टिश्यूज का बना हुआ है. ओके, इसके अंदर इलास्टिसिटी होती है कि ये चौड़ा हो जाता है, वाइडर हो जाता है, फैल जाता है, हमारे पीपल्स को मोस्टली कवर करता है, ताकि ब्राइट लाइट के अंदर, इस लेंस के अंदर कम रोशनी जाए, तेज रोशनी जाए. दैट इज अ हार्मफुल, ब्राइट लाइट इज अ हार्मफुल फॉर अवर लेंस. सो लेस लाइट कैन एंटर इन अवर आई बाय दिस आइरिस. इस आइरिस की वजह से अगर हम तेज रोशनी में चले जाते हैं तो ये हमारी आंख को, पीपल को कवर करता है एंड सेव अवर लेंस, हमारे लेंस को सेव करता है. In a bright light, the iris becomes wider and the pupils gets smaller. हमारा pupils सिकुड़ के छोटा हो जाता है, iris हमारा wider होकर फैल जाता है, चौड़ा हो जाता है, कवर कर लेता है. This happens so that less light enter the eye, ताकि कम से कम लाइट हमारी आंख के अंदर enter हो. In a dim light, this is not the answer, complete answer. This is the complete answer. Eyes, enter the eyes. Okay, लेकिन मैं आपको explain करने के लिए बता रही हूँ. When we go into the dim light, जब हम dim light में जाते हैं, what will happen? तो क्या होगा? The iris gets smaller. तो हमारा iris कैसा हो जाएगा? छोटा सा हो जाएगा, बिल्कुल पीछे आ जाएगा ये. ठीक है, इतना इतना सही. सो ताकि अंधेरे में हमें ज्यादा से ज्यादा रोशनी अंदर जाए और हमें कुछ तो नजर आए. ठीक है, the iris gets smaller and the pupils becomes larger. This happens so that more light can enter the eye. Clear? आपकी एक्टिविटी सिर्फ यहाँ से यहाँ तक है. ठीक है, just it's explaining. Okay, I'm explaining the both things in bright light and dim light, but in your, according to your book, there is just, you will write about the in bright light what will happen. Okay, clear? Now these all are the senses organ. Okay, ear, tongue, skin, nose, eye. These are our senses organ. Okay, everyone learn the definition of the senses? Okay, you can write in your chat box. Complete definition of senses you can write in your chat box. I will just read. Okay, yes, everyone learn it and write complete definition in your chat box if you learn. Okay, yes, the senses organ take an information and send it to our brain so that we can be aware of our environment. Okay, now concepts checks. Now this is the small activity on book page number, everyone open your book. Now open your book page number 4. This is the concepts check activity. You can write the answer in your chat box. I will just read one line and then you will give me the answer. While you are sleeping, जब आप सो रहे हो, there is a sudden change in temperature. अगर आपका body temperature बढ़ता है, so how can you identify that is the high temperature? कि आपको तेज temperature हो गया या बुखार हो गया या fever है, तो किस body के organ से आपको ऐसा लगता है? Can you tell me? Yes, write in your chat box. Okay, raise your hand. Senses organ, yes. Skin, Shayan, very nice. Okay. Okay. Yes, by the skin. Skin is a very, yes, correct answer. Very nice, Hasnan. Very nice. Yes, very good. Fatma. Yes, yes. Now, second, while searching in a bag, अगर आप बैग में कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो for a book, a pin pricks चुभ जाती है your finger, आपकी finger को कोई pin चुभ जाती है. So how? Yes, which senses organ? Yes, alert about it. Yes, कौन से senses organ you will use about it? Which sense use? Yes, you can write in chat box. By the, yes, skin. Fatma, very nice. Hamza, Arham, skin, very nice. Shayan Zubair, very good. Okay, now third line. You can write in your copy, okay? On your book, page number 4. While you are in your bedroom, someone comes through the front door of the house. अगर घर के front door से कोई आता है और आप अपने bedroom में, so how can you identify which sense you will use for this? Okay, yes, you can write, yes. Okay, very good. Umar Farooq, very nice. Yes, you can. Yes, yes, write in your chat box. Very good. Okay. Yes, first one is skin. Second one is skin. And last one, air. Very nice. Okay, good. Keep it up. Okay, we will come on the next slide. Now, the body has the different organ and each organ has the different system. Okay, our body has so many system. Yes, good. We have already discussed the senses organ, but each organ make its complete system. Okay, or different system make our body. A human body made by different system. Okay, just like a circulatory system. Okay, can you tell me the main organ of the circulatory system? Can you tell me the main organ of the circulatory system? Heart. Very good. Yes, heart is the main organ of the circulatory system. Very good. Yes, skeletal system. Very, yes. Which is the main organ of it? Bones. Bones make up our skeleton system. Okay. How many bones in adults? Yes, can you tell me? Write in chat box. How many bones do you have? Yes, to have. Yes, you have. You have 206 bones. Very nice. Very good. Bakar Ali, Fatma Fareed, 206. Very nice. Fawad, 206. Okay, keep it up. Keep it up. Irfan Ahmed, yes. Raza, very good. 206 bones. So many answers are here and they all are correct. Okay. Muscular system. Muscles make up our muscular system. Okay. Now, this is the digestive system. Can you tell me the main organ of the digestive system? Stomach. Stomach is our digestive system. Main, yes, stomach is a main organ of it. Okay. Now, respiratory system. Respiratory system, yes, write in chat box. Okay. Respiratory system, lungs, Bakar Ali, Shayan Zubair, very nice. Lungs as the main, yes, lungs are main organ of the respiratory system. Now, last one, nervous system. Yes, write in chat box. Nervous system, yes. Which organ is the main, yes, which is the main organ of nervous system? Yes, can you tell me the name of this organ? Yes, about the nervous system. Muhammad. Yes. Okay, brain. Very good. Yes. Any other? Okay. Nervous system. Yes, brain is the main organ of the nervous system. These are the different systems. These are the just name. But now we will discuss about it one by one. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now, the skeletal system. Okay. Everyone come. Book page number 5. The skeletal system. The human body has a framework of bones called skeletal system. The bones of the body make up the skeleton. Okay, make up the skeleton. The skeletal system. Take the screenshot of this slide. जिन स्लाइड का मैं कहूँ वो आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है तो आप उनका जरूर ले लीजिएगा. ठीक है, स्क्रीनशॉट. Take the screenshot of it. Okay. Skeletal system is important because it's a function of the skeletal system. You can take the screenshot of this slide. It's important for you. It support your body. Yes, very good. It store minerals because bones made by the calcium. Yes, minerals in the inside our bones or our bones made by the minerals. Okay. It also, yes, it allow us to move. Yes, for the movement we use our skeleton. Okay, when we want to run, jump, go, swim, so it's help us, okay, in our movements. It protect our internal organ. Yes, very nice, because our skull protect our brain, heart and lungs protected by the ribs. Yes, very good. Yes, it makes blood cells also inside. These are the longest bone in our body. Femur is the longest bone, and the smallest bone, do you know about it? Inside our ear, in a middle ear, we have the femur. Stirrup inside our middle ear. Stirrup is the smallest bone, and femur is the longest bone. This is called the femur. This is this thigh bone. This is called the thigh bone, but scientific name is femur. Okay, and stirrup is the smallest bone. Okay, inside our middle ear, हमारे दरमियाने कान के अंदर होती हैं. Yes. Now, this is the main function of the skeleton. Skeleton is a very important for us. The human body has a framework of bones called the skeletal system. The bones of the body make up skeleton. The bones give the body an a strong framework. Okay, they support the body and protect the parts inside. Okay, now and the muscular system. Okay, just read it. The muscular system make up the muscles make up the muscular system. This system work closely with the skeletal system and form part of the body's framework. Muscles allow us to move different parts of the body. Okay. Now, digestive system. It's important and common for system. Okay, everyone know about it. Okay, it is our digestive system. Can you tell me, yes, about the digestive system? What is the digestive system? By observing this picture, yes. Can you tell me just one line? What is the main function of it, digestive system? It digests our food. Yes. Write in your chat box. You can use your chat box. Irfan, yes. The main function of the digestive system? It digests our food. Yes. Yes, Subhan. It digests Ahmed. Yes. The function of the digestive system? It digests our food. Okay, very good. Now, the muscles make up the muscular system. Muscles allow us to move different parts of the body. This is your digestive system. In the digestive system, these are the common parts which are labeled: mouth, gallbladder, large intestine, small intestine, pancreas, stomach, liver, and esophagus. Okay, these are the parts of the. Now, the circulatory system. Heart pumps blood to all parts of the body. This is the circulatory system. These three labelings are very important for this system. First one, heart. You will label it. Okay, maybe the picture will come and you will label it. There is on book page number. Everyone, open your book. Page number 6. There is a circulatory system. Okay, heart is a main organ of it. It circulates or pump the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, It supply the oxygen, okay, vein and arteries. Through the vein and arteries, heart pump blood to all parts of the body. Okay, is it clear? Now, the circulatory blood is pumped by the heart to all parts of the body. The blood circulate around the body through veins and arteries. These, along with the heart, make up the circulatory system. ये जो दोनों vein और arteries हैं, ये हमारे heart के साथ मिलकर एक system बनाते हैं. This system is called circulatory system, and the function of this circulatory system circulate the blood to all parts of the body. Heart pump the blood to all parts of the body. Okay. Now, this is your breathing or respiratory system. Okay. Yes, this is the picture. You can observe how our lungs, yes, wider, and yes, you can, and the everyone, this is your respiratory system. किस तरह हम सांस अंदर लेते हैं और बाहर निकालते हैं, और ऑक्सीजन जो हमारे ब्लड के अंदर एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है, और कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और बाकी गैसेस हमारी नाक से देखें बाहर आ रही हैं. आप बहुत गौर से इस पिक्चर को देखेंगे तो आपको बड़ा कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाएगा आपका. ओके, सो दिस इज द रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम. The respiratory system consists of nose, windpipe, and lungs. Air is pulled into and pushed out of the body by this system. In the lungs, oxygen is absorbed into the body. Okay? You can take the screenshot of this slide. This is your respiratory system. Okay? Is it clear? Okay? Now, this system देखें, जो एक्स्ट्रा है गैसेस वो हमने अपनी नाक से बाहर निकाल दी. ओके, हाउ कैन वी टेक द एयर एंड ऑक्सीजन एब्जॉर्ब इन ब्लड. हमारी जो ऑक्सीजन होती है हमारी ब्लड में एब्जॉर्ब हो जाती है और बाकी तमाम गैसेस हमारी नाक से दोबारा बाहर चले जाते हैं. ओके, दिस इज योर रेस्पिरेटरी. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिस्टम. ओके, इज इट क्लियर? नाउ, this is your nervous system. We have discussed this nervous system. In the nervous system, the brain is the main organ of this system. Okay, when we use our senses, just like a touching sense when we will use, so this is very helpful. Okay, the brain and the nerves form our nervous system. This is the definition, everyone learn it. The brain and nerves form a nervous system. The nerves in the body receive signals from the senses organ and take the message to the brain. Yes, ब्रेन में जितने भी मैसेजेस आते हैं और जाते हैं दो तरह के नर्व्स के थ्रू या आ रहे और जा रहे होते हैं, सेंसरी और मोटर नर्व्स के थ्रू. ठीक है, लेकिन आप इतना डेप्थ में नहीं जाइएगा, बस आप ये याद रखिएगा. तो ब्रेन एंड द नर्व्स फॉर्म द नर्वस सिस्टम. हमारा जो नर्वस सिस्टम बनता है वो दो चीज़ों से बनता है, ब्रेन एंड नर्व्स मेक अवर nervous system. You can say brain and nerves yes, nervous system consists of brain and nerves. Okay, yes, nerves in the yes, the in a head there is a brain. Okay, and they transfer their messages. अगर हमारे पाँव में कोई पेन लग जाती है, कुछ भी होता है ऐसा, तो क्या होता है, हम फौरन अपना पाँव हटाते हैं. फॉरेन नर्व्स क्या है, मैसेजेस को यहाँ ट्रेवल कर रही होती हैं और वापस आ रही होती हैं. सही, जो मैसेजेस सेंसरी ऑर्गन्स जो होते हैं वो मैसेजेस, नर्व्स हमारी मैसेजेस लेके जाती हैं और मोटर नर्व्स फौरन उस पर एक्शन लेती हैं. ठीक है, क्लियर? नाउ, इन अ सेंसरी ऑर्गन nervous system, the brain and the nerves form a nervous system. The nerves in the body receive signals from the senses organ and take message to the brain. Okay, okay. Now, excretory system. Through the excretory system, we are able to get rid of all the waste product of the body. हमारी बॉडी के अंदर जितना भी वेस्ट लिक्विड टाइप होते हैं वो यहाँ से क्लीन होता है, और वो क्लीन कौन कर रहा होता है, हमारी किडनीज. ओके, दिस इज द excretory system. Everyone open your book, page number 7. You can take the screenshot of it. देखिए ब्लड को किस तरह क्लीन किया जा रहा है. यहाँ ये फिल्टर दिखा रहे हैं, तो बिल्कुल हमारी किडनीज फिल्टर कर रही होती हैं हमारे ब्लड को. ठीक है जी, जो वेस्ट लिक्विड है यूरिन फॉर्म में ये हमारी बॉडी से बाहर पास आउट हो जाता है और हमारी किडनीज क्या कर रही होती हैं, हमारे ब्लड को क्लीन कर रही होती हैं. ओके, एंड वेस्ट इज पास आउट फ्रॉम द बॉडी. और जो भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट होती है वो हमारी यानी कि फालतू या ज़ाया होने वाली वो हमारी बॉडी से बाहर पास आउट कर देती हैं. ओके, इन दिस picture you can easily observe there are the three different type of the veins and they are doing their work. They clean the blood, waste pass out through this and clean pass out through this, and it take blood whole the body. Okay, take the screenshot of this slide, take the screenshot of this slide. Okay, if you have any query question you can write in your chat box. Okay, now okay, I will show again in the last. Okay, this is the concept check, page number 7. How can we match? There is a matching column. There are many parts and system in the body. Match the system or organ to its function. Everyone match it. There are two columns, A and B. A skeletal system. Can you tell me the function of skeletal system? Yes, give the body a framework and protect the parts of it. Very good. Now, second one, brain. Can you tell me the function of the brain? Okay. Brain. The brain control center of the body. Very good. Now there is a third one, muscular systems. Yes. Okay. Muscular system works closely with the skeletal system to allow us to move many parts of the body. Very good. Very nice. Right there? Yes. Can you tell me the digestive system function? Yes. Okay. Write in your chat box. Last one. Okay. Okay. Yes. Digestive system carries food through yes, carries food through the stomach and other channels. Very good. Yes, very nice. Take the screenshot of it. Everyone, take the screenshot. It's important slide because it's activity in your book. Page number 7. 7 पे आपको लेनी है, इसकी screenshot ले लें. Take the screenshot of it. It's important work for you. I'm thankful for your participation. Yes, student, can the screenshot of it? Done? Okay. Now, match each body parts to the correct. Yes. Okay. Match each body parts to the correct system. Okay. Muscles make the system, muscular system. Okay. Muscles, yes. Write in your chat box correct answer. We will match the muscles with muscular system. Okay. Very good. Bones match with skeletal system. Take the screenshot of this. Arteries make the circulatory system. Nerves make nervous system. Very nice. Stomach make digestive system. Very nice, student. Very nice. And this is, take the screenshot of it. And now in the third activity, yes, skeletal system. In this, which word don't belong in each list? कह रहे हैं कि आपको कुछ नेम्स देंगे सिस्टम के साथ, आपने अंडरलाइन करना है कि कौन सा ऑर्गन जो है या ऑर्गन्स जो है इससे ज़्यादा वो इस सिस्टम का हिस्सा नहीं है. जैसे स्केलेटल सिस्टम, तो अब आप देखिए स्केलेटल सिस्टम में स्कल तो आएगी, ठीक, आएगी क्या? नहीं. इट्स मीन यू विल मेक द लाइन. ओके. स्पाइन आएगा? बिल्कुल आएगा. लंग्स आएंगे स्केलेटल में? नो. ओके. नी कैप, हील, यू कैन राइट. रिस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम, in a respiratory when we breathe, जब हम सांस ले रहे होते हैं. So which organ involved in this system? Nose, nerves नहीं, nerves नहीं आएंगे. because it's in our nervous system and it is our respiratory system. Nose, heart, windpipe, lungs. Heart we will cut it. Okay? Take the screenshots. In a circulatory system, vein, air, no, it will not important for it. Artery, blood vessels, heart, rib. Okay? We will cut it. Okay? Now, in a digestive system, which organ are important for this and which organs do the work in this system, digestive system? Which organ are important? Stomach, intestine. Yes, brain is not necessary for it. Very nice. Hip is not necessary for it. Very good. Liver is not necessary for it. Take the screenshot of it. Very nice. अभी हटाओ, clear. Okay, very good. Take the screenshot of it. Now, home task. Exercise 1, 2, 3, and 8. Okay? Take the screenshot of it. Open your book. हाँ, अपनी बुक का पेज नंबर खोलिए बेटा. जो आप बुक पे कौन कौन से काम करेंगे? 1, 2, 3 और 8. पेज नंबर 8 खोलें अपना. पेज नंबर 8 पर आपको क्वेश्चन दिए हुए. 1, वी हैव ऑलरेडी डन इन अ प्रीवियस क्लास. 1 एक्टिविटी जो थी चूज द करेक्ट आंसर, वो हमने पहले ही कर ली थी, वो हमने बुक पे ही करनी है. नंबर 2 मैचिंग कॉलम, ठीक है, ये भी हम कर चुके हैं. 2 भी आप करेंगे, सही है. थर्ड, ये भी हम अभी हमने किया है, ये भी आप करेंगे अपनी बुक पे. तो ये जितने 1, 2, 3 और 8 आप खोलेंगे. पेज नंबर 10 पर आए. 8 है लेबल द सिस्टम एंड देयर ऑर्गन. सिस्टम को लेबल करना है या आपने अपनी बुक पे करना है काम, ठीक है. अब अपने कॉपी पे कौन कौन से काम करने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 and 7 you will complete in your copy, fair copy. 4 and 7. Okay. Now take the screenshot of it. पेज नंबर 10 की ये 2 थिंक अबाउट इट क्वेश्चन आंसर थे. ये मैंने यहाँ लिख दिए क्योंकि इनके आंसर उस पर इतना प्रॉपर नहीं थे, तो यहाँ आंसर लिखे हुए हैं मैंने. और आपने बिल्कुल इसी तरह लिखने होंगे, बहुत सफाई से पेंसिल से. क्वेश्चन और आंसर ब्लू से मैंने आंसर दिए हुए, तो आप ये लिख लें, स्क्रीनशॉट लें इसका. पेज नंबर 10 के क्वेश्चन आंसर यहाँ लिखे, आप इसको ले लें, स्क्रीनशॉट लें. ओके, इज इट डन? नेक्स्ट वन. नाउ दीज आर द क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के, जो मैंने आपको बताया कि 4 आपने क्वेश्चन यहाँ करना है. नंबर 4 में कितने क्वेश्चन आपके पास दिए हुए? 5 क्वेश्चन है. तो ये पूरे 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 के हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4 एंड 5. ये 5 के 5 क्वेश्चन आपने अपनी कॉपी पे करने. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का आंसर पेज नंबर 6 पे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 का आंसर यू विल गेट फ्रॉम द बुक पेज नंबर 6. यू कैन फाइंड फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 6. ओके, इट्स सो इजियर, यू कैन राइट इजीली. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 का आंसर मैंने यही लिख दिया ब्लू से. ओके, सो यू कैन राइट, यहीं से आप लिखेंगे. द क्वेश्चन के बाद आप लिखेंगे द बोन्स एंड द मसल्स हेल्प अस टू स्टैंड अप, मूव. यहाँ से पूरा आंसर लिखेंगे. एंड अब 4 क्वेश्चन, दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन, and in the last you will write the answer. Okay, you will write the correct answer in your copy, so you can take the help from this slide. Take the screenshot of it. Everyone take the screenshot of it. Question number 5, do all people have the 5 senses? So this is the answer of it. Okay, okay, you will complete these all. Yes, क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 पेज नंबर 9 पर आपके पास इसमें 5 क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं. 5 के 5 क्वेश्चंस यहाँ बताए हुए हैं कि कौन कौन से पेजेस से आपको आंसर इजीली मिल जाएंगे, और जो आंसर वहाँ इतने प्रॉपर नहीं थे वो यहाँ लिख दिए हैं. सो यू कैन टेक द हेल्प फ्रॉम इट.